Hello guys, welcome to another follow-up session on the dividend stock SIP and the railway stock SIP portfolio. This is JR. I'm going to take you through the portfolio sheet of the dividend stock SIP and the railway stock SIP. So this is my Finvasia Shoonya master portfolio sheet, and here we have the Shoonya platform where the trades are executed today for the railway stock SIP. So we got 4 or 5 days back, we got the dividend stock SIP also executed. So let's go through the execution. This is just a follow-up video. I'll discuss slightly about the portfolio also. So let us see the portfolio here. So the dividend stock SIP is here and the railway stock SIP is here. So we will go through that, and what we did, we will show you. So right now the portfolio both put together plus the IPO ones, it stands at about 49,200. It was about like 60-70,000 couple of weeks back, since mid cap and small cap corrected a lot during the last 2 weeks. So the gains have reduced a little bit, but still means the difference between the invested value, which is on the lower level and we are regularly doing SIP, and the current value, it is still positive. Okay, so let's have a look at both the portfolios, how it is performing. So the change what you are seeing is today's change. Today also most of the stocks, the PSU stocks especially, they were down. Very few stocks were up. So up to now in the dividend stock portfolio, I have invested about 1.75 lakhs, and right now the value is at about 2 lakhs. So the gain is about 28,500 rupees, which is about 16.35% of the invested value. So this is basically the growth in the portfolio. Okay, so right now only two stocks are in negative. So one is Hindustan Zinc, other one is ITC. The National Aluminium one is our dividend reinvestment. So there are no new funds being put here. Whatever dividend you are seeing here and on the next sheet, the railway stock SIP sheet, so those are the dividends which were put back into this. So here you can see the buy average, there is a value, but actually here the buy average is 0, since I am taking the dividend also in the calculation of profit. So I am just putting it together. Okay, so today also I have purchased 3 shares of Nalco. Why? Because we received few dividends. Only Union Bank is yet to give dividend. Rest all have given multiple dividends. Means you can see PFC is coming in 22nd March. So this is the ex-dividend date. But today is 15th March, but still means I have put in the value and I have already invested that value here. So that's all right. Here you can see it is about 3,943 rupees. In railway stock SIP, we have received about 261 rupees of dividend. So both put together, it's about 4,100 rupees. So that is what has gone into the National Aluminium stock. Okay. So the dividend ones you can see, means I am still tracking what are all the dividends we are getting. The PFC one, we received 2 dividends. Last month also we received a dividend, and March also announced, but probably in April it will come. But the dividend is announced here. Ex-dividend date is 22nd of March. So that money will come in. Only Union Bank is still not declared any dividend, and this declares yearly once, one dividend only, but the stock has grown well, means it has grown by about 27%. This stock I have been discussing in every video of this series, that I have made the investment based on the dividend yield, but how many times it gives dividend, that time I think I made a mistake, I did not see, but the stock has grown very nicely. It was at some point it was about 40%. Since the correction came in last 2 weeks, so everything is down a little bit. Does not matter, we are still doing the SIP and we will continue to do. Going back to the railway stock. So today this railway stock got SIP got executed and all the values are already updated here. So railways, all the stock has given some kind of dividend. Titagar wagons, I got 1 rupee dividend. Well, that's all right. Means something here. This railway stock is given only for the growth, means not for the dividend. Titagar wagons has not grown much. It has grown. It went to 1,000, but since all the stocks are getting corrected, so now this has also corrected back to about 844 rupees, but our purchase price is 858, so it is showing a minor loss here, but rest of the stocks has given a very good profit. So 85,700 rupees invested, so right now it is running at about 1 lakh 4,000 rupees, so it's a gain of about 18,200 rupees, which is about like 21%, I think. Yeah, H10, right? Yeah, H10. Yeah, it put together, like I have added it. Yeah, I have added this divided by this, so it is about 21.25%. The railway stock has given reasonably better returns than the dividend stock, and it is understood because these are all like railway stock, sector oriented one. Dividend one is diversified, that will give a little less because it gives more dividend, right? So but put together, this has given a slightly higher return, and all the stocks has given some form of dividend. You can see mostly these are all government companies, right? All these railway stocks are mostly government companies, so they will give some form of dividend. Okay, the dividend stock SIP mostly government companies, very few like Vedanta and Hindustan Zinc, ITC, these are like private companies, the rest are all government companies. Okay, so right now the portfolio stands at about, let's see our total portfolio. So right now the total gain what we have got is about 46,715 rupees. This is excluding the dividends. So if you add the dividend put together, so we are having about 50,090 rupees. Okay. That's it for today. Nothing much to share. So whatever like you have seen here, the dividend stock SIP and railway stock SIP. The dividend stock SIP one got executed 4 days back. I have a screenshot but unable to share here. So I have updated all the values here. Whatever like got executed, those I have already updated here. But those, if you want to see the price what it got executed, those are here. Like you can see on 11th it got executed, so these are the ones which got executed on 11th, the dividend stock SIP, the quantity and the price it got executed, so those are all here. And today we got this railway stock one executed, so I still don't know what are the charges till the contract note comes. So once the contract note comes, I will put the value in, so that will be it. Plus what I have done, that National Aluminium, which I am doing the dividend reinvestment, I had 3 quantity worth of money left due to the dividend. So that money I have put it back, like 466 rupees came, right? So that one 406 went there. So I put 135.5, I bought 3 shares of National Aluminium. National Aluminium will also give dividends. So that also I think it has already given. Let's see. National Aluminium. Yeah, National Aluminium also started giving dividends. That is 23rd of February was the X date. So by now it should have already hit the bank account. 44 rupees is absolutely nothing. But these small drops are the ones which will make a pond. The pond becomes a lake and the lake becomes an ocean, right? So when we started, there was nothing. If you see the first, second, third video, we had nothing. So right now we are having about 4,000 rupees dividend. We are not investing too much also. We have very less investment, but 4,000 rupees dividend like within like 7-8 months is a good money, considering that we are putting about a lakh and half rupees. So it's a good dividend. Okay. So that's it for today. So keep following this. Actually, I wanted to show you something little bit more on this. So you can see that there is a sheet called verified by sensible. So what I am doing is I am updating this sheet every day, and time to time, maybe weekly once or twice, I am sharing this sheet in the Telegram group. So Telegram focus group is open. The link is there in the description for you to join. It is only a focus group just to see what trades I am taking and what P&L I am doing. So I am just putting in those screenshots with the trades, means you can see the verified by Sensible here. So this is what generally you get. So this is the verified by Sensible P&L sheet which you get like every day, means I am sharing it since 9th of February. 9th of February, you can see all the from 9th, every day I am sharing. I have not missed even a single day. Whatever days you see is not there, those are weekends. Okay. So you can see 9th, 12th, all the way up to today, which is 15th of March. So I am sharing. You can see the end of the day, you can see the closed positions. What are all the positions I am currently having and how I am closing. So this thing is shared in the Telegram group every day. I don't have too many followers because not many people know that this is happening. So if you want to follow the trades what I am taking, I am not giving it live. So this is not a trading advice or like that. I am not giving it live. So this is the end of the day position. The pattern is very clear. What I do is very clear. The last week of the month, I generally take the stock strangles for the month, basically covered call for the month. Then for every expiry, I do the trade. So today there was a Sensex trade is taken. So Sensex, I did a short strangle in Sensex, which closed in zero. I got a profit of about 4,800 plus rupees. And I have a USD INR trade. And for Monday's expiry, I have a mid cap Nifty trade. ICICI Bank trade, I just closed today because this is for the March position. I taken in 1st of March and today is 15th of March, 2 weeks. The trade is on for 2 weeks. I closed it at about 5,000 rupees profit. Couple of days back, I think yesterday I closed the Reliance trade. You can see here the Reliance trade, no, the previous day, 13th. Yeah, you can see the Reliance trade got closed at about 5,000 rupees profit. And I still have the HDFC Bank trade open. For this position, the maximum profit is about 7,200 rupees, which is basically 550 multiplied by 13.25. Right now it is trading at about 7.25 rupees, which is giving a profit of 3,300. When it reaches 4,500, some cases I'll try to close based on the price movement and news flow. I'll try to close. And this is our call diagonal position. So which is the December to 20,000 CE buy at 1875. This is done in the last November. I have taken this and it has grown very nicely. It went up to about like 85,000. Right now market is down a little bit, so it has corrected slightly. Okay, and we have against it, I have sold 100 quantity of 22,400. So at about 26 rupees I have sold. So that trade is there, and all the other, if you minus that 100, all the other 200, this is the weekly double calendar for Nifty. Okay, so this is a trade. Today I took the trade in the morning and there was a need for adjustment. So I adjusted the PE side. This gave about 200 rupees of profit and the remaining trade is running. So all these, what I do, generally I post it in the Twitter by end of the day. The Twitter link for following me in Twitter is also in the description below. You can have a look at it. The link for the Telegram group, just only end of the day trades. I sometimes, like, if the setup is very good, positional trades, the trades which I am taking, I will share it in the Telegram. If you want to follow, you can follow. The risk is yours. You can follow at your own risk. Profit comes, it is for you. Loss comes, it is for you. So I am just giving it just to create an interest on systematic trading, how to do, develop a system and how to take the trades robotically, taking and exiting, and don't keep any emotions. Just take the trade as per the set of rules, and if the rule is met for exiting either in the profit or loss, don't wait for it, simply exit the trade. and when to take profit, when to exit. So all those rules are already set in my system. Okay, that is what I am following. So I am just sharing what I am doing. Okay, so right now you can see the bigger change what you see in the profits are basically this, like the 20,000 CE in December, because since the price is quite high, if like 100 points movement in the market, this will fall or gain hugely. So only 50 quantity, but this moves in the range of about 2000 3000 rupees every day. So that is the bigger change you are seeing here. And the total P&L what you are seeing is including the closed position. So next day if you see, you have to minus all the closed positions. So apparently means the total P&L will be less. So today's closing P&L is this. When tomorrow it opens, all these closed positions will go and it will show a smaller value, right? So understood. So that is what I am showing it here. So this is the positional P&L and this is the daily closed P&L. So what is totally closed, and if you see the next day, you have to minus this 7101 from this. So then from there what happened, then I closed another 8600, probably expiry trades would have been done. So that, so all those, some days like I am not showing a very like greener picture that I am doing only profit. It's not like that. I have also lost money, but minor money. If you see the profits, the losses are less. Why losses are less? Even like consider on yesterday I closed, on the expiry day I closed the Nifty double calendar, but the double calendar was closed in a loss. It was supposed to bring in profit if I held it for some more time, but I closed it in a loss. I'll show you the trade what has happened. So the double calendar was somewhere here. Yeah, this is the double calendar trade. I'll just move little bit. So today's trade also I have updated. If you have interest, you can see this. These are like yesterday's trade what I have taken. I have made losses. It's not that I am showing only profit. Okay. Nifty, I took two trades. Both the trades went into loss. Okay. So on 21st of March expiry, 14th of March expiry, the 14th March expiry which is yesterday, those are sells, and 21st March expiry which is this week expiry, for the previous week it is the next week. Okay, that is a buy. So when I did that, when I closed the 2250, I closed it at about 81 rupees. This became zero at the end of the day. Okay, just think about it. This 2250 PE, yesterday it became zero because it expired at zero, but when I exited at about 81 rupees. This went to 42 by end of the day, but still if I held it, I would have made a profit of about 9000 rupees, but I kept the stop loss of about 2000 rupees, and when it reached very close to that, I simply exited the positions. Okay, so sometimes like this will happen, but sometimes what happens like this will happen. Like today was the trade which I took. This was like Bank Nifty trade which I took on 12th March, which is the previous Bank Nifty expiry. So many positions. You can see every imaginable strikes around the ATM. I took the trade. Okay, but after taking all these trades, what has happened? I lost about 3600 rupees. Does not matter. This loss is manageable. Today I have made up for all those. So I did yesterday, after those losses, I did few trades and I could take out some money out of it, like 2000 plus loss there, but I made about 3400 rupees there. This is today's Sensex expiry triangle, which you are seeing here. This is the Sensex trade which you are seeing here. This is 72,200 and 73,000. So this is the trade which you are seeing, 72,200, 73,000. So this went to zero. This trade is not done unhedged. So this has a stop loss in the system. Okay, for every trade there is a stop loss. Most of the trades there is a hedge, fully hedged. And like this, when we take a strangle, generally I keep a stop loss in the system. I put a SL order. SL market is not allowed, so you have to put a SL order only. So I put a SL order, there is a value for that, so I'll put a SL order. If the SL hits, then there are adjustments to work out on that, so those I cannot disclose it here, but there are few adjustments which we make. But today there was no adjustment was required, so this 12.25 became 0 and this 12 rupees also became 0, and both put together got about 2860. By now you can see that I am mostly talking in the seller's point of view. I am not an option buyer, I am a fully hedged option seller. Okay, so this is a tracker generally means I use. So all this tracker, these are all only for the premium group members who are following me. So right now the premium group is not open, so please don't ask me to join, it's not open. Premium group is already closed, and the members who are there, they are still there. I am just sharing the trades because they have been with me for about 2 years now. Okay, and this is the calendar trade which I am tracking, and this calendar trade there is a separate series is there, so that series will close in 2 weeks. So I will be sharing this entire calendar trade, the year end close out I will do. This I will not close, but the new series will start, means adding up all these profits, the new series will start. Okay, here the target is already achieved and I am running at about 71,000 profit. Okay, so that's it for now. So let us go back to our dividend stock and railway stock. So this is what I want to share. If you like the content what you are seeing, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitter. In Twitter you will find that these P&L what you are seeing here, these P&L are shared on the daily basis. Profit or loss does not matter, I just share. Okay, so have a look at it, and this is verified by Sensible, so this is not some screenshot or anything. So this is directly from the Sensible, and the backend is the broker, so it comes directly from the broker. So this is what you will get. P&L is verified by Sensible, so this is not fake. So this is the real P&L. I have been sharing it for about a month. I don't have many followers, but I am not expecting too many people to know what I am doing, because the money what I make every day is less, but I consistently do it every day. People are mostly behind the influencers or finfluencers who are trading with 2 to 3 crore, 5 crore capital and daily making 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. But I am not doing that. I am one of you. My capital is about 37.5 lakhs. Out of this 37.5 lakhs, in the last month alone, like sharing started from 9th of February, and I will take 7th of March as the last. So I have booked about 66,000 profit. Every day there is something, not in lakhs. I have done it in thousands because my capital is only 30 lakhs. I don't want to take big risk. Okay, so I will take a smaller risk. I will make money drop by drop. It will start growing. Right now, as far as today's close is concerned, right now I am at 87,800 rupees plus an unrealized profit of about 75,000, because this 10,000 we have to remove it from here. So 75,000 rupees of unrealized profit and 87,000 rupees of realized profit. So you can say that put together it's about 1.6 1.7 lakhs profit, and on a capital of about 37 lakhs, and most of my capital is where? Most of my capital is pledged as collateral. 33 lakhs is in collateral. Okay, 33 lakhs in collateral. The remaining is government securities, put about 50,000 rupees, so that is still running, and the remaining 2 to 3 lakh rupees I am having as cash. So with that I am doing the trade, and this is the setup I have got, and I am just showing you what I have got. But there is a way to do the trades systematically, and you can make money slowly, not that in one day you buy a lottery ticket and you become crorepati. That is not going to happen. Okay, many people follow the bigger influencers. They are seeing that those people are making in lakhs, tens of lakhs, but their capital is also in crores. Do you have a crore, 2 crores, 3 crores, 5 crores in capital? You can also make that money. But normally what we do, we come with 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs. I started with about 10 lakhs. So right now, slowly, with profits, with reinvestments, with putting in additional money, everything put together, I have grown my capital to about 41 lakhs. So this 41 lakhs plus some in mutual fund, some in government securities. This is my cash component. So government security, because the pledging is already done here. So this is my government security one, plus about 2.5 lakhs cash. This is what I have got. So with this I am doing something. Okay, so if this one strikes you and it gives you something that there is one guy like me doing it, then you are in the right place. Okay, so do follow the Telegram group Options with Jeet. So the link is there in the description. So you can follow that and go back to the Twitter, and then you can follow from there. If you click, you will go there, and from the Twitter you can follow it. Okay, so that's it for today. Take care, all the best. Signing off, this is JR. May the markets be with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.